नहीं बे, मोटिवेट थोड़े ना करना है, मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ, उसमें मोटिवेशन क्या काम आएगी। बट गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, आई एम आदित्य कुमार मिश्रा ऑफ क्लास 12 साइंस ऑफ अमरावती विद्यालय, एंड हियर I am here to present a presentation on Mr. Nayak Jadunath Singh, who was awarded a Gallantry Award known as the Paramveer Chakra. Let's talk about the Paramveer Chakra first. The Paramveer Chakra is India's highest military decoration, awarded for displaying distinguished acts of valor during wartime. Until now, only 21 soldiers have received this award. So now let's talk about Mr. Nayak Jadunath Singh in further. Nayak Jadunath Singh Rathore was an Indian Army soldier who was awarded by the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military decoration, for his action in the engagement during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1947. So now let's talk about his early life. Singh was born in Rathore family on 21st of November 1916 in Kajori village of Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. He was the son of Birbal Singh Rathore, a farmer, and Jamuna Karwar. He was the third of 8 children with 6 brothers and a sister. Though Singh studied up to 4th year standard in a local school in his village, he could not continue his education further due to his family's economic situation. He spent most of his childhood helping out his family with agriculture work. Around the farm, for recreation, he wrestled and eventually became the wrestling champion of his village. For character and well-being, he was nicknamed as Hanuman Bhakt Bal Brahmachari. Singh never married. Now let's talk about his military career. During the Second World War, Singh was established in the 7th Rajput Regiment of British Indian Army. On 21st November 1941 at Fatehgarh Regiment Center, on completing his training, Singh was posted to regiment's 1st Battalion. Let's talk about the war in which he was awarded the Paramveer Chakra. The Indo-Pakistan War of 1947 to 1948. The Indo-Pakistani War of 1947 to 1948, or the First Kashmir War, was an armed conflict that was fought between India and Pakistan over the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir from 1947 to 1948. In October 1947, the 50th Para Brigade, to which Rajput Regiment was assigned, was ordered to secure Naushera and established at base at Janghar in mid-November. But bad weather was prevented this action, and on 24 December, Janghar, a strategically advantaged position in Naushera sector, was captured by Pakistanis, which was given them the control over the communication line between Mirpur and Poonch, and provided a starting point for which attack could be made on Naushera. The following month, the Indian Army overtook several operations in northwest of Naushera to stop further advances by Pakistani forces. Brigade Muhammad Hussain, the commander officer of 50th Para Brigade, he had made necessary arrangements to counter the expect attack. Soldiers were deployed in small groups and possibly enemy approaches. And so, Taindhar, lying on the north of Naushera, was such an approach for which Singh's battalion was responsible. On morning of 6th February 1948, Pakistani forces opened fire on pickets from battalion patrolling along Taindhara Ridge. Gunfire was exchanged between the both sides. The foggy early morning darkness helped the attacking Pakistani creep up to the picks. Singh's bravery. Let's talk about that. Soon, men in the post on at the same war. Soon, men in the post on Taindhar Ridge observed a large number of Pakistani soldiers moving towards them. Singh was in commander of the 9% maintaining forward post in the second of Taindhar. Singh and his sections were able to ward off 3 successive attempts by Pakistani forces to capture their position. By the end of the third wave of 27 men at post, 24 were dead and severely wounded. Singh began a selection of commander at post, displayed extremely leadership and kept moving his men till he succumbed to his wounds. This provided a very critical moment for battle at Naushera. In the meantime, Brigadier Hussain sent a company to 3rd Para Battalion, Rajput Regiment, to reinforce Taindhara. Without Singh engaging the Pakistani troops for a concentrated period, recapture of this post would be been impossible. Legacy. Singh was posthumously awarded the India's highest military decoration, the Paramveer Chakra, for his actions on 6 February 1948. This Shipping Corporation of India, an Indian government enterprises under the Ministry of Shipping, named 15 of his crude oil tankers honor of Paramveer Chakra recipients. The crude oil tanker named at MT Nayak Jadunath Singh PVC was delivered to SCI on 21st of September 1984. The tanker was phased out after 25 years of service. A sports stadium in Sahajaranpur, the town near the village where the Singh was born, was named as Paramveer Chakra Lanes Nayak Jadunath Singh Sports Stadium in his honor. So, dear teachers and friends, thanks for watching. I hope you like this presentation of Mr. Nayak Jadunath Singh. Thank you.